Hello! Today we're gonna open a dinosaur egg. Show the kids the dinosaur egg. Wow, it looks so...
No, it's mice. Okay. Look. Look at that. It's an elephant.
Wow.
Okay.
Alright, okay, yeah, no problem. And you get some stickers also. Look at the stickers. Wow. Pterodactyl. Wow. Huh.
Oh gosh.
Oh, what is that? Wow. Wow, so nice. Where did you find it? Wow. Wow, give some to your sister. Give some to Leila. Yummy. Oh, how is it? Can I have one?
Yeah.
Oh, the chocolate? Okay. Did you try the chocolate?
Yeah.
Leila, try the chocolate. Eat the chocolate. Here you go. You want some chocolate? How is the chocolate?
It's good.
Yummy? Is it yummy? No,
Yeah.
you can't eat both of them. Yummy?
Yeah.
So, okay, yeah, you can't eat both of them. So have the chocolate only. How is the chocolate? Is it yummy? Yummy. Yeah. So open the stickers. Put the stickers on the table. Remove the, yeah, put it in, what is that? It's a pterodactyl. Yeah. Oh, thank you. You're giving me the sticker? Oh, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Oh, pterodactyl. Okay, let's.
Yeah.
Yummy?
Yeah.
What about the chocolate? Have the chocolate. Your sister is having the chocolate. You having both, Lila?
Yeah.
Bye. See you and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.